Alright guys, another morning cleaning out the gators, and there's a gator tooth. Ta-da. So they naturally break those off, grow them back. But yeah, they cycle through several thousand in a lifetime. But you guys gotta move. Come on. Come on. Wake up. Wakey, wakey. Nope, gotta go that way. Come on. Let's go. Zilla's on the way out. Yeah, so people who haven't seen this before, every morning we drain and spray and scrub and clean out the enclosure and then refill with clean water. And the water that we use is well water. It comes out of a well, has a high iron content. That gives it a yellow color. This water is dirty anyways right now, of course. But yeah, so we do clean this out every day. And come on, Sebastian. It's like a kid doesn't want to wake up for school. Come on, get out of there.